Okay, we've got to boot it up now. And just put speed fan on. And you can see the fans are running at 21, 28, but they'll soon turn off. Because speed fan is just running radiators. They'll turn off in a minute. So far so good. No leaks at the moment, but I'll leave it on now 24 hours, because what I noticed last time, it was okay when it was running with the alpha cool block on it, but overnight when it was turned off, it was just started to drip a fraction. Just glad I had that. There you go. Fans are turning off. Water temperature is 19.7. Fans turned off in speed fan. Garage temperature 19 degrees. So that's what's running there. And see if I can find, see if I've got ADA 64 on here. Okay, computer, sensors. Okay, at the moment, what's this bullshit coming up here? Okay, moment CPU's running at 28 degrees, which is about what it was last time. So we're going to stress CPU. I don't think we don't need to do the memory because we know that's okay. So let's go. See what the temperatures go up to. Now you'll see speed fan come back on in a second. As the temperatures, as it's new paste, it might take a bit just for it to bed in. See the CPU's 100% load. And then we'll just wait for the fans to come on, and then we'll leave it at that. Temperature still 29 degrees on the CPU. It might take a while. I don't know. She's running okay at the moment. It's running. We can see the pump is okay because of the water's got that little hump in it there. Going around a bit, so we know the water's going around the system okay. Temperature just gone up to 30. Sometimes it takes a while for the fans. It all depends what curve you put the CPU at in speed fan. And I think I have it coming on around 40 degrees, so we'll leave it at that. Fans are not running. No need for them to run at the moment. See, it's quite cool over here in the UK at the moment. We just had some snow a couple of days ago, so as I say, it's quite cool. 19 in my garage, probably about 15 outside. So yep, there she is. And we'll get back to you in a bit. Okay, back again after about half an hour or so. No, sorry, 15 minutes. It seems like half an hour. Fan's still not running. CPU still at 36. So what we're going to do, just going to stop the test. Okay, and then we're going to also let the GPU join in. So we're going to let the GPU join in the fun and see if we can get them fans to run. Okay, CPU still around 36, 35. Okay, let's go. See what we can get. See if we can get them fans to come on. Nothing yet. What's the GPU running at? GPU 34. So we'll see if we can get this thing. All I got to do is alter the fan curve in speed fan, but I got it set to what I like. Those, the back fan there and the front fan down there are always on, so it's stressing it out now, and it's quite cool in here. It's quite cool, so that's probably what it is. It's probably so cold in this garage that it's not even going to bother to come on. Even if I put my hand on here, normally if that water's getting hot, you can feel it through the perspex here, and it's not at all. So we'll leave it like that, running like that, and as soon as the fans come on, as you can see, no need for the fans at the moment. The water's being pumped round, as you can see. 240 60mm thick alpha cool rads on it. That's stressing out the GTX 583 gig card and the AMD 4350 clocked to 4.7 gigahertz. Supposed to be flat out. It is flat out there, you can see it. I could just hear the fans wanting to start up. Maybe not. No, nothing. No need. That temperature there, the 45, you can see the coolers on that, on the around the CPU there. Say this thing is quite good. Say now the CPU is up to 39 degrees and the GPU is 36. Still not going to come on. Here we go. Just decided to come on now. And that's speed fan. They'll probably go off in a minute. They're going up to 500, 583, 600. So those fans have come on there, and the fans at the top have come on. .612. Temperature on the CPU is 39. Graphics card's around 36. So there you go guys, all back together. Hopefully I got the leak sorted out. This is the old block, the Alpha Cool. I'm just going to come under the light here and see if you can see at the bottom, if it'll focus. Just in the bottom there, there's a little mark. I'm not sure if it's going to focus on it that close, but you might better see it if I just tilt it a little bit. There you go. It's the old block that was leaking. So it's all sorted. Keep all the bits and pieces together on it, just in case I need it. And I can bodge this up a bit in there. But there you go. hopefully the job done, and the good old trusty little PC in the corner is back up and running. Okay, know it's been a bit long, but I just wanted to let you know about the water block. It's very easy to change that at the back there. Put the back plate on for that EK, as the half X has got a big cutout in there. That was a piece of cake. And very lucky for me, the two tubes here, the top one, the return to the res, and the one coming out from the top rad to the CPU block, were all the same length, meaning that the centers between the in and the out there exactly the same, or within a millimeter or so, the same as the EK block, and the positioning obviously is exactly the same. Right guys, cheers for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. Plenty more videos on there. I just wanted to show you that and the problems I was having and how to get over it. Cheers. Harry out.